Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are in La Floresta. Okay, the house we're looking at is a good price. It is for La Floresta. It's a very good price because it's the most highly desired neighborhood in Lake Chapala is La Floresta. Why can't I say it tongue twister anyway? Anyway, now this house needs some work. Okay, but this is what I recommend to most people. If they really want to live in La Floresta, I highly recommend buying homes that are low priced and need work, because if you put the work into these homes and you make it a very special place, you're going to be able to turn around and flip that baby quickly and get your money out of it. So not that most people are looking to do that here, but you know, if you sell it in 10 years, 15 years, whatever, I mean, just the work you put into it is going to be worth it, and then appreciation, obviously. So yeah, I really like this house. I think it's beautiful, and it's located in La Floresta. I mean, you can't beat that, you know what I'm saying? And if you're someone who doesn't mind doing work, more power to you. Before we get started, I need to let you know about our bed and breakfast and our cafe in Ajijic Centro. The cafe is open to the public 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. every single day. We have air-conditioned seating areas, and we have iced drinks, hot drinks, smoothies, tea, coffee, French pastries delivered fresh. And the bed and breakfast is they're both located right next door to each other, but also within each other. So they're kind of like two businesses in one. All the rooms come with a hot breakfast, daily housekeeping, new mattresses, streaming TVs, safes, reverse osmosis drinking water, ensuite bathrooms. What else am I missing? You're just going to love it. And we're walkable to everything. So if you want more information on both of these businesses, you can visit my website, therealamandaturner.com, where you'll find a link to the bed and breakfast, the cafe, and Lake Chapala's MLS. So if you would like to see properties in this area and see what we have on inventory, you can go there. And then also to contact me, you can go to the contact form on my website, fill that out. It goes straight to my email. We can start a dialogue on buying or selling in this area. And if you were looking to sell, I can come over and do a free opinion of value for you, just to figure out what your home is worth. And now is the time to do it, because we're getting busy down here. Okay. And then if you are looking to buy, you can reserve a room at our bed and breakfast with me, and I can take you on tour while you're here. So you can reserve a room through contacting me or through our website. Okay, let's go check out this house. This home is listed for $369,000 US. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom on 2 levels. Construction size is 156 square meters or 1,674 square feet. The lot size is 350 square meters or 3,767 square feet. The HOA is about 6,000 pesos per year. It does not come furnished, and it's located in La Floresta in Ajijic. All right, the house we're checking out today is located right here. So we have a driveway that goes up here and goes back to the house right here. And let's zoom out so we can see exactly where we are in this gated community of La Floresta that is so beautiful and lush. I love it so much. Okay, as I said before in previous videos, this is Upper La Floresta or Mountainside, and this is Lower La Floresta or Lakeside, and the highway or carretera divides it. So, what's near us? We have quite a bit going on, actually. You are extremely close to Ajijic Centro. So, all of your shopping and dining and all of that, all the fun stuff is through here. I just ate at Minhwa Chinese restaurant, like 4 days ago. It was delicious. What else? We've got a Domino's here, a Walmart. We have the mall that has the food court with a Subway and Trips Burger, best burgers in town. And a movie theater, all of that. Quality care is right over here. They have a team of doctors, so if you needed to make an appointment with a specialty care doctor, that's where you would do it. Typically, it would take 1 day to 2 weeks to get in to see the doctor there, which is kind of nice. And then I mentioned this in the last La Floresta video too, that there's a 24-hour clinic right down here as well. The cool thing about La Floresta is that it's walkable, but it's suburban living. So it's very quiet neighborhoods, and especially Upper La Floresta, because people tend to use Lower La Floresta as a pass-through to get into Ajijic, but you can't really do that in Upper La Floresta. So it's very quiet up here, and the neighborhoods are beautiful, wide streets, cobblestone roads are well cared for, and it's just a great place to either raise your kids, have some pets like dogs, and just be able to walk to things, you know? Like this street right here is the Wednesday market. Every Wednesday they set up their stands. I would say maybe there's like 50 distributors out there who have their tent set up, and they bring their freshest fruit and veggies, their freshest produce. So that's located right there every Wednesday. I would say probably from about 8 a.m. to noon is going to be the best time. Otherwise, everything will kind of be picked through, and they'll start shutting it down. The Ajijic clinic that I was telling you about is a 5-minute drive from this house. The Wednesday market is also a 5-minute drive from this house. It's having you come down this way and come up this way. And this is the entire shebang-a-bang right here. Your grocery shopping on any other day aside from Wednesday will most likely be done at El Torito supermarket, which is located right here. And they also have a giant gym in here as well. FedEx is in here. You have Marissa's Bakery as well, and a lot of cute little shops within that plaza right there. And that's a 4-minute drive from that house to here. And so while you're at the Wednesday market doing your produce shopping, you can come on over here to El Torito and get whatever you couldn't get at the Wednesday market. To get from this house to Guadalajara International Airport is a 37-minute drive. All right, guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave your comments, suggestions, anything down below in the comments section. And if you would like to see more videos in this price range, you can click right here. And if you would like to subscribe to the channel, you can click right here. And I will see you guys for the next video. Bye.